Hi everyone, Christian Weld from Imperium Dynamics. Today I'd like to share a few examples of where you can best use Power Virtual Agents by Microsoft. Now, Power Virtual Agents are enterprise low-code chatbots that allow for efficient communication between your business and your audience. This tool allows you to create intelligent chatbots in an instant with no code synchronized with Copilot, making sure the conversation with the chatbot uses relevant, secure data. These chatbots can answer questions, collect responses, and hand them off to a live agent as needed. There are so many use cases for Power Virtual Agent. One example of a use case being a convenient chatbot on your website to interact with your audience and field their frequently asked questions. Now below, my chatbot is already pre-coded to work with my website, so that is pulling the most relevant data from that source. What I'm going to do is I'm going to ask it, what are some industries Imperium Dynamics has worked in? Now, as you can see, the chatbot pulls from relevant pages within my website without me having to custom make those paths in the system. The machine is intelligent enough, backed by Copilot, to interpret my questions and seek the results itself without me telling to with code. Now, you can also set custom topics too, for anticipating niche needs and providing additional information for your chatbot to answer. But providing your chatbot with just a link to the website will cover the most basic user questions. There's way more customization information to feed Power Virtual Agent for it to deliver information from not just having answers ready to say, but to engage in a full conversation with them, like any real person would. Power Virtual Agent can also help with sales, HR, opening hours, store information, employee health vacation benefits, and just overall common employee questions. But that's just scratching the surface of what it can do. With Power Virtual Agent, chatbots will never be the same, and your connection with your customer base will be all that better for it. So if you need help with Power Virtual Agent or just want to learn more, feel free to contact our Microsoft certified experts here at Imperium Dynamics. The link to set up that call is in the page below, and you might get to talk to me, so I'm excited for it.